Hello and welcome. Discover the Atsuwell Chemotherapy Must-Haves Kit, designed for effective cold therapy relief. This set includes cold therapy socks with 6 ice packs and gloves with 4 ice packs for targeted pain relief. Enjoy 30% more cold coverage on your feet thanks to longer gel ice packs and secure compression straps. The dual-layer ice mitts provide comprehensive hand protection, easing neuropathy, arthritis, and carpal tunnel pain. Perfectly sized for most men and women, this combo supports pain relief from plantar fasciitis, inflammation, and swelling. Experience soothing cold therapy that helps reduce discomfort from chemotherapy and everyday foot and hand pain. Stay comfortable and relieved with Atsuwell's innovative cooling socks and gloves. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.